Hi, my name is Audrey, and I'm a multimedia production student at Brookdale Community College. I'm honored to be a recipient of the Dr. Mark and Rose Bankier Memorial Scholarship. This scholarship has allowed me to focus on my education without worrying about finances. Receiving it made me feel supported, encouraged, and motivated to keep pushing toward my goals. During my time at Brookdale, I've built meaningful relationships with professors who genuinely care about my growth and classmates who inspire and challenge me creatively. These connections have made my experience both rewarding and fun. Brookdale offers hands-on learning, a supportive community, and opportunities to grow in ways that really prepare students for the future. After graduation, I plan to continue developing my multimedia skills and pursue a career creating content that informs, inspires, and connects with people. I'm truly grateful for the foundation for investing in my education and helping me build a strong foundation for my future. Thank you.